Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. The ninth padya of Haribhakti Sara goes this way. Chitrakuta Nivasa Vishwamitra Kratu Samraksha Shashi Ravi Netra Bhavya Charitra Sadguna Gatra Satpatra Dhatri Jantaka Kapata Nataka Sutra Parama Pavitra Falguna Mitra Vakya Vichitra Rakshisu Namma Nanavarata. Chitrakuta Nivasa. Lord Sri Vishnu, during his incarnation as Rama, he along with his wife Sita Devi and brother Lakshmana, they stayed in this Chitrakuta during the stay of Vanavasa by paying heed to the orders of his father Dashratha. The same Rama, when Vishwamitra, the sage Vishwamitra requested him, he along with his brother Lakshmana at a very young age, they went to stay in a forest near the stay of Vishwamitra's ashrama in order to assist him by protecting the yajnas conducted by him. He is a protector of sage Vishwamitra's yajna because many demons like Maricha and Subahu they caused many troubles by disrupting the yajna. So Rama he destroyed all those asuras and he helped sage Vishwamitra to conduct all those yajnas and homas peacefully without any troubles caused. And he is the one who is possessing the sun and moon god in both of his eyes. Shashi Ravi Netra. In his right eye, the sun god resides, whereas in his left eye, the moon god resides. And probably this is the main reason they have got such a brightness and a beautiful sensation within them. And he is the one who gave luster to them. And he is attributes are being described again here. Bhavya Charitra, Sadguna Gatra, Satpatra. His character is the most pious one. The most purest form of characterization is present in Lord Sri Vishnu. And the depth of his qualities, the depth of his attributes is so infinite. It is his qualities are aprakruta. And Satpatra, he is always considered the most auspicious and holiest one. So his qualities are beyond explanation. They are very distinctive, infinite, aprakruta qualities, excellent conduct and a marvelous character. Such is the depiction of attributes of Lord Sri Vishnu. And he is Dhatri Jantaka. Dhatrija is none other than Narakasura, who is born to Lord Sri Vishnu itself, and Bhudevi during his incarnation of Varahavatara. This Narakasura, he put 16,100 princesses in confinement, and these princesses in their previous birth they have done penance to Lord Sri Vishnu in order to marry him. So Krishna, he destroyed this Narakasura and he released all those princesses and married him. One thing which is clearly evident here is whoever the person is, if that person has committed a sin, then surely he is enabled to punishment. So Narakasura, even though he is Lord Sri Vishnu's son itself, when he has done such a big sin, then surely he is confined to a big punishment, and hence Paramatma Sri Krishna, he has seen the Antya, he has seen the end of Narakasura by destroying him. Hence he got this name Dhatri Jantaka. And he is Kapata Nataka Sutradhari. Sri Krishna, especially in the Krishnavatara, Paramatma has got this name Kapata Nataka Sutradhari. We always wonder, Paramatma Sri Krishna, he has done so much of cheating, especially during the instances of the Samhara of Karna, or the Ashwathama Vadha, or many other instances in his Krishnavatara especially, we actually feel somewhere probably Krishna is doing cheating. Probably he is being partial to a particular community. But this is a very big misconception, because there is a slight difference between intelligence as well as doing the tasks cunningly or by cheating. Paramatma Sri Krishna, he has done all these tasks by showing a sense of intelligence, by using a knack or by playing tactics. But he hasn't cheated anyone. So this is the difference, and hence Paramatma, he is called Kapata Nataka Sutradhari. And he is Falguna Mitra. Falguna is none other than Arjuna. Shri Krishna, he himself has said, Mama Pranahi Pandava. He himself has given this word that Pandavas are the most dearer to him. He has even shown this affection towards him by he himself playing the charioteer of Lord Shri by charioteer towards Arjuna. As Jagannatha Dasa says, Ananta Madi Madi. If we give a 1% towards the God, God will multiply it numerous times and give it back to us. The same thing he showed us in his Krishna Avatara during the instance of Sudama Charitra. So, whatever we have, if we give it, if we completely dedicate it towards the Lord, then surely God, He is not at all interested in whatever we give him. Rather than that, he multiplies it and gives it back to us. And such Paramapavana Shri Lord Shri Vishnu, who is Vakya Vichitra, which means all the alphabets, the sentences, words, phrases, everything describes Lord Shri Vishnu itself. Such Lord, let us all proceed towards him and pray to him that let him protect us forever and ever. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Rakshisu Namma Nanavarata.